But I've got my original camera mounted like this, and I ran the wiring all along this way. Down to here. This is it. It's underneath here. And I've tucked it underneath this way, so from outside, if you look through the window, you don't really see any wiring. Well, except for this, of course, right now. And I've got it underneath here, as you can see. And from there, it was just plugged in like that. Now, I've got this. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put it in the car. I think I found the perfect spot underneath the passenger side. So as you can see, I didn't put it all the way in case I ever need to inspect the battery or replace it or change the cable around or whatever. I was thinking about putting it all the way in to make it as discreet as possible, but at the same time I gotta think of the convenience of myself as well in case something does go wrong. Leaving the USB ports out in case they ever do another road trip with the kids. I got something I can plug into. Okay, with that out of the way, let's put a new dash cam. Oh, they look pretty similar in size. Let's try it. Yep, doesn't fit. Rear cable. Power in. Okay, let's fire it up. Oh, and it fits right in. Perfect. Okay. I got it to work. Except for my rear. For some reason, it's not detecting my rear camera. I'm going to switch out the cabling. Maybe that's the issue. For some reason, the connector for the back wire is really tight. I couldn't even get it back out, so I started wiring it from back there, wired it to the front. Now I'm trying to get rid of the slack, put it back to the back. This is going to take a while. At least back here it's easier. Front to paint. Because of this extra slack here, I'm already gonna just tuck it underneath here. But you do want to leave a little bit dangling because of the hatchback. Have a door. I'll make sure that I want to expose it as little as possible. Decent. So I came back to this place where I bought the Blackvue battery, and The reason why I brought it here is because for some reason when I hooked up the battery to my cigarette lighter, it wasn't taking a charge, but yet there was still power running through it to power my the dash cam. I thought there was something wrong with the battery, but it doesn't seem like that's the issue. They've got it hooked up and they've got lights on and it's charging. I'm just going to sit here for about 10 minutes to see if it stays that way. But if that's the problem, then the issue is probably the cigarette lighter not providing enough voltage to the battery to charge it. Oh, crap. There goes my whole dream of having parking mode on this car. It's the whole reason why I actually got the dash cam to begin with. Oh well. Shit. So for the missus' car, I'm thinking I'm going to do the same setup. Stick it here. Run it all along. To the cigarette lighter over here. And run the rear. The back doesn't have a lot of... No. I don't know if I should put it low or should I put it high. I'll think about that. Done. And done. Actually, maybe I should fire her up and just make sure everything's okay.
Initializing SD card. Please do not disconnect the power.
Sounds like it's working.